Hello, everyone, and welcome back to this podcast that helps you optimize your day for success and well-being. I'm your host, Sarah, and joining me today is the ever-organized Ben.
Hey everyone. Today, we're delving into the world of daily routines. We'll explore how to structure your day for productivity and self-care, and we'll break down key vocabulary along the way.
Exactly, Ben. We'll cover morning, afternoon, and evening routines, offering practical tips and vocabulary to help you create a balanced and fulfilling day. Let's get started. Let's start by discussing the importance of having a daily routine. In today's fast-paced world, routines can provide a sense of stability and control.
Absolutely, Sarah. Routines help us manage our time effectively, reduce stress, and improve our overall well-being. They give us a framework for our day, allowing us to focus on what matters most.
Different lifestyles call for different routines. A student's routine will look very different from a working professional's or a retiree's. It's all about finding what works best for you.
The key is consistency. Even small, achievable routines can make a big difference in your daily life. It's not about being rigid, but about creating a structure that supports your goals and well-being.
Routines aren't just about productivity. They're also about self-care. They provide dedicated time for activities that nourish your mind and body.
And remember, routines are flexible. You can adjust them as your needs and circumstances change. The important thing is to have a plan that guides your day.
Let's begin with morning routines. How you start your day can set the tone for the rest of it.
Absolutely, Sarah. A good morning routine can boost your energy, improve your focus, and set you up for a productive day.
One important word we can use is hydrate. Hydrate means to drink water or other fluids. Many people start their day by drinking a big glass of water to hydrate after a night of sleep.
Another great practice is to stretch. Stretch means to extend your body or limbs. Doing some light stretching in the morning can help improve flexibility and wake up your muscles.
Other common morning activities include making your bed, having a healthy breakfast, and meditating. These activities can help you feel grounded and prepared for the day ahead.
It's also important to prioritize your tasks. Prioritize means to determine the order of importance. Take a few minutes in the morning to plan your day and identify your most important tasks.
Remember, your morning routine should be tailored to your individual needs and preferences. Experiment with different activities and find what works best for you. Now, let's talk about midday routines. This is when we need to maintain our momentum and stay productive.
Midday is often the busiest part of the day, so it's important to have strategies for staying focused and energized.
One crucial aspect of a midday routine is taking breaks. It's easy to get caught up in work or other tasks, but taking short breaks can actually improve your productivity.
Recharge is a useful word here. Recharge means to restore energy. Taking a short break to recharge can help you feel refreshed and ready to tackle your tasks.
Another important aspect of a midday routine is eating a healthy lunch. Light meals can prevent that afternoon slump and keep you focused.
Fuel is a good word here. Fuel means to provide energy. A healthy lunch can fuel your body and mind for the rest of the day.
Consider taking a short walk or doing some light exercise during your lunch break. This can help you clear your head and boost your energy levels.
And don't forget to stay hydrated throughout the day. Keep a water bottle at your desk and sip on it regularly.
Let's move on to evening routines. This is when we need to unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep.
Evening routines are crucial for relaxation and stress reduction. They help us transition from a busy day to a peaceful night.
One important word for evening routines is unwind. Unwind means to relax after a period of work or tension. Activities like reading, taking a warm bath, or listening to calming music can help you unwind.
Another important aspect of an evening routine is limiting screen time. The blue light from electronic devices can interfere with sleep.
Disconnect is a useful word here. Disconnect means to stop using electronic devices. Try to disconnect from your devices at least an hour before bedtime.
Consider practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. These can help you calm your mind and prepare for sleep.
And don't forget to create a comfortable sleep environment. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool.
A consistent bedtime routine can help regulate your sleep-wake cycle and improve the quality of your sleep.
Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key vocabulary we've discussed.
We've covered words like hydrate, stretch, recharge, unwind, prioritize, and disconnect. These words are essential for describing daily routines and activities.
Hydrate is crucial for maintaining bodily functions. Stretch helps improve flexibility and reduce muscle tension.
Recharge is all about restoring energy, while unwind focuses on relaxation and stress reduction.
Prioritize helps us manage our time effectively, and disconnect is essential for promoting restful sleep.
Understanding these words and phrases will help you communicate more effectively about your daily routines and activities.
Try using these words in your daily conversations and writing to reinforce your understanding. Let's talk about some practical tips for creating effective routines.
Start by identifying your goals and priorities. What do you want to achieve with your daily routine?
Break down your routine into manageable chunks. Don't try to overhaul your entire day at once.
Be realistic about your time and energy levels. Don't create a routine that's impossible to maintain.
Build in flexibility. Life happens, so be prepared to adjust your routine as needed.
Track your progress. Use a journal or app to monitor your routine and identify areas for improvement.
Celebrate your successes. Acknowledge and reward yourself for sticking to your routine. It's important to strike a balance between productivity and self-care in your daily routine.
Productivity is important, but it shouldn't come at the expense of your well-being.
Schedule time for activities that nourish your mind and body, such as exercise, meditation, or hobbies.
Don't be afraid to say no to things that don't align with your priorities or well-being.
Listen to your body and mind. If you're feeling overwhelmed or burned out, take a break and adjust your routine.
Remember, self-care is not selfish. It's essential for maintaining your physical and mental health.
Let's look at some examples of morning routines.
A student might start their day with a quick workout, followed by a healthy breakfast and some study time.
A working professional might start their day with a cup of coffee, some meditation, and planning their workday.
A retiree might start their day with a leisurely walk, reading the newspaper, and enjoying a cup of tea.
The key is to find a routine that fits your lifestyle and preferences.
And don't be afraid to experiment and adjust your routine as needed.
Now, let's explore some examples of evening routines.
A student might unwind with a warm bath, some light reading, and journaling.
A working professional might prepare for the next day by laying out their clothes and packing their lunch.
A retiree might enjoy a relaxing evening with a good book, some light stretching, and a cup of herbal tea.
The goal is to create a calming and peaceful environment that promotes restful sleep.
Avoid stimulating activities like watching TV or using electronic devices right before bed.
And try to maintain a consistent bedtime to regulate your sleep-wake cycle.
A relaxing evening routine can significantly improve the quality of your sleep and your overall well-being.
Well, Ben, we've explored the world of daily routines, from morning rituals to evening wind-downs. Any final thoughts on how our listeners can create their own daily thrive?
Remember, the most effective routine is the one that works for you. It's about finding the balance between productivity, self-care, and flexibility.
Start small. Don't try to change everything at once. Focus on incorporating 1 or 2 new habits into your day.
Be patient. It takes time to establish a new routine. Don't get discouraged if you slip up occasionally. Just get back on track the next day.
Review and adjust your routine regularly. As your needs and circumstances change, your routine should evolve as well.
And most importantly, be kind to yourself. A daily routine is a tool to support your well-being, not a source of stress.
We encourage you to experiment with different activities and find what brings you joy and fulfillment. Your daily routine should be a reflection of your values and goals. Thanks for listening today, and if you found the video helpful, please hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you never miss an episode, and share it with others who might benefit. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future episodes, we'd love to hear from you, so your feedback is really important to us. Thanks for listening, and as always, happy learning. You're doing great. Bye, everyone.